Hello everyone, welcome you in investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex Spot closed at 78,553, gain of 3,396 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 23,852, gain of 1,023 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 54,290, gain of 3,288 points. Market breadth was positive. BSE 500 closed at 34,110 with gain of 1,444 points. Nifty 500 closed at 21,682 with gain of 929 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty Realty Index, which closed at 845 with gain of 6.95%. There was a no loser throughout the week. Now let's look at Nifty chart. Nifty 50 started the day low at 23,402 and dropped to 23,299. It stayed flat for a bit in the morning, but then pick up the speed. It hit a high of 23,873 points, beating its earlier peak from the March. And the close at 23,851. It is the best close since January 3rd. It jumped 414 points with lots of trading action. On a daily chart, it made a big green candle showing its bounce back from a recent dip. This means turning upwards strongly. On a weekly chart, it also made a big green candle after starting higher, crossing the middle of the Bollinger Band. It gained 4.48% for the week, its biggest weekly wheel since February 2021, and has now posted 2 strong weeks in a row. Now let's look at Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative OI decreased with 1.36% and price increased to 4.48%, which suggested short covering. Nifty 24th April 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 25,000 strike with the open interest of 1,06,060 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 23,500 strike with the open interest of 1,11,890 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 25,000 strike with the addition of 39,796 lots. Max open interest change happened on PE side at 23,500 strike with the addition of 48,657 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Nifty crosses about 23,900 levels, then it can move towards 24,300 to 24,500 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 23,300 levels, then index can go down towards 23,000 to 22,900 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. The Bank Nifty surged strongly, nearing its record high of 54,467 and closed at 54,290, the highest since September 26, 2024. It's gained 1,172 points with a strong bullish candle on the daily chart, indicating a strong buying momentum. This marked the 4th consecutive day of gains. For the week, the index rose 6.5%, forming a solid bullish candle after opening higher. It continued to trade near the upper Bollinger Band, a positive sign of the trend. For the trader, following the trend, the key supports are at 53,500 and 53,100. As long as this level holds, the upward trend is expected to continue. On the upside, the Bank Nifty index could rise to the 54,500 to 55,000 range. If the momentum continues, it may climb to the 55,300 levels. Let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative OI increased with 0.89% and price increased to 6.45%, which suggested long build-up. Bank Nifty 24th April 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 55,000 strike with the open interest of 58,548 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 50,000 strike with the open interest of 47,718 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 55,500 strike with the addition of 12,566 lots. And max open interest change happened on PE side at 54,000 strike with the addition of 18,882 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Bank Nifty cross above 54,500 levels, then it can move towards 55,200 to 55,800 levels. But if Bank Nifty breaks below 53,800 levels, then index can go down towards 53,000 to 52,500 levels.